How to persuade when facts don't matter. What the world's most persuasive people understand, and how business leaders can apply it. In an ideal world, facts would win arguments. In business reality, they often do not. Executives approve deals that fail spreadsheets. Clients reject statistically superior options. Customers choose brands that feel right rather than those that perform best. This is not irrationality, it is human decision-making. The world's most persuasive psychologists, political leaders, marketers, and negotiators have long understood a difficult truth. Facts rarely persuade on their own. They support decisions, but they do not cause them. This article explores what the most persuasive people in history understand about influence.